Beautiful autumnal French nails. I'll be using Lecenté new shade of Fusion Builder Gel in the colour Bear. For the French, I have chosen this cozy burnt orange shade Corduroy Crush from Lecenté new It Girl collection. Once French is fully cured, I need to remove stick layer using nail prep. Make sure to remove all the stick layer so the chrome doesn't stick. For the swirls, I'll be using Lecenté black detail paint, liner brush and the chrome in shade gold. Using liner brush, paint random swirls around the French and cure fully for 60 seconds. Once fully cured, using sponge applicator, apply gold chrome powder on top of the swirls. Buff in the chrome properly and then smoothly get rid of all the loose particles so the chrome only stays on the black lines. Afterwards, apply Lecenté top coat and make sure to cap all the edges. Fully cure for 60 seconds. And here is the finished result, very cute and autumnal French using Lecenté new Fusion Builder Gel in the shade Bear.